Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Midlife Rising. And greeted with probably wondering why I'm in a cave. Yeah, it's raining outside and I prefer not to get wet until I'm in the water. That's not all though. Turn it for you so you can see. There ain't that much swell in the water either. So I'm gonna slowly get myself ready. I'm gonna see what happens, take my time, maybe go out there and attempt to catch something for you and make the most of it. As you can tell, I did look at the surf forecast, and again, starting to have doubts on these surf forecasts at this point. But other than that, I'm going to try to make the most of it. And life's too short to worry about what surf forecasts are and how incorrect they are. You got to make the most of what you got. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Hopefully I catch some waves for you and make it really interesting. Alrighty, take care. Okay, bye.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Honest with you guys, this issue may not look so good, but it's starting to warm up, so I'm going to be out here for a fair amount and see what else I can get. There's a couple of waves coming in right now. All right.
Enormous, instantaneous.
just telling you, I came back. Session was okay. I mean, I did what I could with what I was given. That's all you can do. You know, better be out in the water than not, and that was for obvious reasons. And it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Caught some waves, stumped some waves. Is what it is. You'll see it in the edit. But when you're given lemons, you got to squeeze lemonade. When you're a beggar, you can't be a chooser. And today was one of those times. When you're a beginner, you can't go to crowded beaches. As simple as that. You need to be safe.